What's up, YouTube world? I'm outside mowing and this just happened. I mean, it came quick. I saw the sky was black, but man, did it come fast. I was even out there in some crazy lightning. Showing you my neighbor's yard. Torrential downpour coming down the driveway. Lightning. Check out my sunflowers though. They're coming in. There's another one getting ready to pop. Deer ate that one. It turned into a bush. That one there is bigger than I is. Doing so well, man. Everything looking nice. It's pouring down raining. It is raining. I mean hard. Torrential downpour, baby. Downpour. So what do you think? Got my trees down here growing. I'll plant them out in the front yard, down along the back. I think there's 12 of them there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the other day, 9, 10, 11, yep, 12 more trees. Plus I got 4 more in the yard growing. Acorn trees that the squirrels must have planted. I'm gonna save their life too. Just have me a nice little patch of woods I'm gonna grow in up here. This side of me's tight. Neighbor's right there, but Dawn, a real nice lady. Single like me, but I got my decorative grass growing up there. It's up along the road, but you can't see it. It's pouring down rain. That probably ain't gonna look great till next year. And evergreens you see right there. Right there. That's all gonna come out. I got flowers planted on the other side, but I couldn't walk around and show you because it's too rainy. But everything's looking good. Rained so hard my gutters overflowed. Turned me into a pond right outside my damn thing here. Holy moly. Well, please share my channel. I'm trying to grow in growth so I can get some cooler footage out there for you guys. I'm buying some electronics. Looking to get a FLIR for nighttime investigating. And put a team together to take me from a believer to a knower. And those of you out there know what I'm talking about. So please like and subscribe and share this. And have all your friends come over and join me, because I would love to be able to do some live action out in the woods when I get everything rolling. See, if nobody told you they love you today, I love you. Have a great day. And enjoy the rest of your 4th of July weekend.